Hello bikers! Welcome back to another video on the channel. In this episode, guys, I want to introduce you to the second version of the new and beautiful TVS Raider 125, also known in some countries as the TVS Striker 125. This motorcycle is one of the most premium and affordable models currently available in the low displacement category. It has recently undergone some improvements to remain a favorite among many riders and not be intimidated by the new Hero Extreme 125R, which is making a strong entrance. This new TVS is perfect for those who aren't satisfied with the typical simple 125cc motorcycle that all brands offer in their catalog. Instead, it's a very complete model, ideal for daily commuting, work, and even long and economical trips. In this video, I'll tell you about its official selling price, its potential selling price for the global market, its most important mechanical features, its technology and exterior design, its direct competitors in this category, and all the curious and important facts about this new motorcycle on the market. So folks, if you're interested in this information, I invite you to stay until the end. The second-generation TVS Raider 125 is an Indian-made naked motorcycle that arrives to replace the original version of this model in all markets where it has been available. The most important updates in this motorcycle are the replacement of the carburetor system with an electronic fuel injection system. The kickstarter has also been eliminated, and the monochrome dashboard has been replaced with a full-color TFT dashboard that incorporates Smart Connect connectivity to sync with your smartphone and includes two riding modes, Mode Eco and Mode Power. Additionally, this model complements the brand's lineup alongside the Apache RTR 160, the Apache RTR 180, which is still in production, and the Apache RTR 200, with the Raider 125 being the most affordable motorcycle in this group. Finally, guys, it's worth noting that this Raider is sold in 4 different versions in its home country, each with minimal design, equipment, and price differences. We expect this model to arrive in the rest of the world in a standard version and a premium version with Bluetooth connectivity. Mechanically, this new model stands out for maintaining the engine of the first version, but unfortunately, it loses 1.5 horsepower after leaving behind the carburetor and incorporating electronic fuel injection. This engine features a single-cylinder, SOHC, 4-stroke 124.8cc, designed with a single overhead camshaft and 3 valves per cylinder. Its maximum power is 11.4 horsepower at 7,500 revolutions per minute, and its maximum torque is 11.2 Newton-meters at 6,000 revolutions per minute. This engine is air-cooled, features electronic fuel injection, has a 5-speed transmission, and comes with electric start only. The total curb weight of this Raider is 123 kilograms. Its fuel tank capacity is 10 liters. Its average fuel consumption is over 45 kilometers per liter, or 180 kilometers per gallon, and its top speed can reach 115 kilometers per hour. Alright riders, in terms of aesthetics, this TVS stands out with a modern and eye-catching design that breaks away from the traditional look we're accustomed to from this brand. Some of the most notable features of this new motorcycle include a compact and modern headlight, DRL lights, full LED main lighting, conventional bulb turn signals, a full-color TFT digital instrument cluster, a single-piece semi-straight handlebar, a USB charging port for your phone, conventional telescopic forks, a 240mm wavy front disc brake with a dual-piston caliper, a 17-inch alloy wheel with 81/100th sport tires, side fairings, a simple fuel tank, an engine sump guard, a single-piece or two-piece seat depending on the version, with a height of 785 mm, rear grab rails, an LED brake light, an elongated fender and license plate holder, a side-mounted exhaust system, a steel double cradle swing arm, a preload adjustable monoshock, a 130mm rear drum brake, a 17-inch wheel with 190th tires, and a ground clearance of 180 mm. Talking about the selling price and its competitors in the global market, we can say that the new generation TVS Raider 125 has an official starting price in its home country of 95,000 Indian rupees for the basic version and 100,000 rupees for the premium version. This makes it up to 20% cheaper than the TVS Apache 160 and is priced exactly the same as the new Hero Extreme 125R. In this sense, gentlemen, we can say that this new TVS could hit the market with a retail price above $2,000 USD, approximately 1,900 euros, 40,000 Thai baht, 70,000 Philippine pesos, 25 million Indonesian rupiah, 8,000 Malaysian ringgit, 12,000 Chinese yuan, 250,000 Japanese yen, and 12,000 Brazilian reals. As always, guys, these are prices as of today and do not include registration or insurance fees. Finally, as direct competition, this model will face tough competition in the low displacement market from models like the Suzuki GN 125, the Yamaha YBR 125, the Honda CB 125F, the new Pulsar NS 125, the Hero Extreme 125R, the Suzuki GSX 125R, and the classic NKD 125, the CR 4125, and the Victory Nitro 125. Well, riders, in conclusion, this TVS with its new update remains one of the most requested and best-selling bikes of this brand currently in most countries where it has been available. And if it maintains an affordable price, its competitors will have a hard time competing with this model. As always, guys, I hope you liked the video and all the information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. And if you want to support me, remember to leave the thumbs up, leave your comment, and share the video on social networks. See you next time.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.